What it do? Welcome back to the channel. As you see, we're taking the 2022 Ford Ranger in for its first oil change. As you see, we are right at 4,700 miles. On the paperwork, it said 7,500 miles, but I don't want to wait that long, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the Ford Ranger in, get this oil change. Hopefully, it's pretty quick and smooth sailing. I'll bring you guys with me so we see how this goes. So this quick lane, they have it added on to the side of the dealership. I think that's where they take care of all the quick changes and all that stuff. So let's go in here and see real quick. All right, so all checked in, everything is good to go. Now I'm just gonna sit and wait on them to get the oil changed. Now notice they did take the front driver's side wheel off. Not sure if they had to take that off to change the oil or not, so that's something I have to check out and see. Of course, you know we're gonna do a walk around once we get the vehicle back. They did take it through the car wash. Also, there's another Ford Ranger right behind me. This one has more likely a higher trim level because they have the bumper painted to match the color of the vehicle. So we're gonna go ahead and check the oil level, make sure everything is good to go. Since we just got it back, I like to double check to make sure. Let's go ahead, I gotta put this stick up real quick. There we go. All right, so we have the 2.3 liter EcoBoost, and this is the oil stick. This is the oil stick. I already wiped it off one time, so we'll go ahead and check it. Make sure it's nice and a light gold color. And the level looks to be pretty good. So we'll put that right back in there. So this is where they poured the oil in the vehicle. It's a slight smudge right there, but overall it looked like they didn't waste any on here. Of course, we're gonna do a little slight, just to knock the dust off the engine. So we'll probably get a nice little fiber cloth or whatnot and do that. Like I said, they changed the oil. I seen the guy take the front wheel off, so I'm not sure if that was necessary. Maybe it was. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good. Nice clean fluid. We only have 4,700 miles on the car, so everything should look pretty good. Still looks brand new. Not sure how many quarts of oil. I think it said 6 or 7. Don't quote me on that. Of 6 or 7 quarts. Synthetic blend, I believe it is. Yeah. Now over here, they should have checked the air filter. I'm not going to take it apart. Don't feel like taking it apart at the moment. And plus, we'll check it 4,500 miles or 4,700 miles. It should still be pretty good. So I'll check it on the next oil change and make sure that they have changed that out or whatnot. Make sure that's good to go. And just like that, the Ranger is good to go. The next service is around 10,000 miles. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll let you guys know what that consists of, and we'll take it in let them take care of that one. Well, on that, thank you guys for tuning in to the channel, and I will catch you on the next video.